So in this video, I'm going to talk about the number of subscribers. Okay, so you might be thinking that if you have a lot of subscribers, you're going to earn more money on YouTube. Um, in a way, that's true, but it's not completely true. Okay, it's not the complete truth. Um, you you can even earn more money with less subscribers. So I'm going to show you the truth here. So this is my channel. If you're not subscribed to this channel, then please go and subscribe to this channel. So what I'm going to show you here is, you can see here, this is my channel and it says 1.19 million views in total with 305 videos. Again, here you can see 1,185,983 views in total. So that's how much views I get, how many views I get from my YouTube channel. Yeah. So the number of subscribers here is 8.86 thousand. So it's less than 9,000 subscribers, but I get 1.19 million views. So now I'll show you one thing. Now I'll show you a channel. This is a channel which is a channel with 47,000 subscribers, almost 48,000 subscribers. Now you go to this section, you can see it has 1.3 million views. Okay, now compare this views versus subscribers ratio. Again, let me show you, it's 1.19 million views on my channel with 8,000, less than 9,000 subscribers. This channel has 47,000 subscribers and it has 1.3 million views. So the ratio of views, if we compare the ratio of views of my channel and this channel, they are like almost equal. Again, let me show you the real thing. I've got even more views. Let me show you. This is the actual number of views of my channel. My channel has actually 2.2 million views. But why it's not showing here? It's just showing 1.19 million. The thing is, I'll show you. I will show you this thing. And the thing is, it says total number of videos is 323. 323 videos are there on my channel. But for some reason, I had to make these 18 videos private. It's not actually completely private, but it's unlisted. When it's unlisted, it's not shown to people who are like not logged into my YouTube account. So it's kind of private. So I have lost the views of 18 videos, so that's why it's showing 1.19. It's actually 2.2 million views with 8,000 subscribers. So if we compare this number of views to this number of views, then it's a lot less. It's less than my channel's number of views. So now you can see that even though this channel has more than 47,000 subscribers, it has got only 1.3 million views, while I have 2.2 million views, or let's say 1.19 million views if you're not convinced. But still I have less number of subscribers, a lot less compared to this channel. So now you can imagine, now you can kind of calculate that even if you have less number of subscribers, you can still earn more. But how does it happen? It happens because the number of subscribers grows like consistently or constantly, but the thing is, it depends on your number of views whether you earn more or less from your YouTube channel. If you just upload one video and if it goes viral, then you get millions of views from one single video. So when your one video goes viral, you cannot be sure that you get a lot of subscribers. So let me show you another thing. Let me go to this audience section and let me show you this one. So watch time from subscribers. 98.8% of those views come from non-subscribed audience. As far as my channel is concerned, only 1.2% of the audience is from the subscribers or subscribed ones. So like, don't expect that all the subscribed people, all your subscribers are gonna watch every single video of your channel. It depends on your content. It depends on your every individual video. So of course the number of subscribers matters because you get exposure, you get the impression. If you don't know what's impression, let me show you. This is the impression. Let's say in the last 28 days I've got 173,000 impressions. That means 173 devices have shown my content, but only 19,000 or let's say 13,000 people have watched or clicked my videos. So it depends on your content whether you get views or not. So it depends on the number of views you get, whether you earn more or less. So don't be so obsessed with the number of subscribers. Just try to make a good content. If you're able to make your content go viral, or if you are able to make people watch your videos, you're gonna earn anyway from your videos. So focus on your content rather than focusing on the number of subscribers. Again, let me tell you, I'm not telling you to ignore the number of subscribers. Don't ignore. Subscribers are the people who are kind of loyal to your channel. Not completely, but to some extent, they like your channel, they'll like your content. So the number of subscribers matters. But as far as the number, as far as your earning is concerned, you need to focus on your views. You need to get more views in order to earn more. So that's possible even with less number of subscribers. That's all I wanted to say in this video. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.